Hello, my name is JF the Robot. I needed to switch to a new school, and it has not been easy. The other kids pick on me, and it has been hard to make new friends. Oh, that hurt.
Get out of my way, you stupid robot.
You knocked JF down, and that has made me sad. Help. Help. I have fallen, and cannot get up. This is terrible. Hello, my name is JF. I know a good joke. Knock knock. You are supposed to ask who is there. Do you understand? Why are you laughing? I was not finished. Did you not like my joke? Wait. What did the toaster say to the fridge? Ouch. As you can see, things have not gone well for JF. Perhaps I need better jokes. Wait. What is this? Fun ways to make new friends. I wonder who put this here. Very interesting. Step 1. Try to introduce yourself to someone new. Here we go. Almost there. Hello, my name is JF, and I am a robot. Has anyone ever told you it isn't polite to stare? Hold on. Where are you going? Step 2. Try to find someone like you. My second cousin is a large computer. Maybe this will work. I have a real good feeling about this. Do you mind if I sit down? Hello, my name is JF. How are you? Do you like jokes? Ha ha ha. Hello. What is wrong? Ha ha ha, I guess you are the silent type. Ha ha ha. It is okay to be nervous. JF is also nervous. Oh boy, this is not going well. Step 3. Try to join a social group or club. I know a lot of the kids at this school like comic books. So I will try to join the comic book club. I hope they like my Batman costume. Here goes nothing. I am Batman. Ha ha ha. Why is no one else dressed up? I guess they are changing into their costumes later. No matter. Hello, my name is JF. I would like to join the comic book club. I have read many comic books, and I have this sick Batman costume. Oh no. Step 4. Try to do something kind for someone else. This is a very long path. I hope I do not fall down. Some kids are coming. This is my chance. Come on, JF, you can do it. I can open the door for you. Oh no. Wait, please come back. I am JF. Please come back. Please come back. Step 5. Try to find friends on social media. This should be easy. All I need to do is make an account. This spot looks perfect. I wonder how many of the kids use the social media. Once I upload all of my cool pictures, I am sure I will have lots of new friends. This is definitely going to work. Click, click, click. That is one good-looking robot. Everyone likes cat videos. Meow. Very interesting. JF also likes cats. It is funny that the cat is watching a video on the computer. It looks like most of the kids in the school have commented on this video. Step 6. Be confident and be yourself. Okay, JF, you got this. Just remember not to fall down. Hello. My name is JF. I like cat videos on the internet, and I also like comic books. I am trying to be confident and be myself. Is it working? Ha ha ha. Instead of pushing me down again, can we be friends instead? Did I mention I have a sick Batman costume? Ha ha ha. Sometimes my knees get real rusty. Parents, am I right? Ha ha ha. Remember, always be yourself and try to be confident. Making friends can be hard, but if you don't put yourself out there, you will never know. Good luck, everyone.
Hi, we're Group 10. I'm Henry Matthews.
I'm Stephen George.
I'm Lucas Verbruggen.
I'm Michelle Cerdera.
And I'm Michael Payne.
We hope you enjoyed our video about JF the robot. Remember, when trying to make new friends, be confident and be yourself. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Very much.